we're breaking into the argumentative writing portion of the writing process, right? You need to know exactly what argumentative writing is. Now, when you see the word argumentative writing, what is the word that pops out to you?
Argument.
Right. So the basis of argumentative writing is your argument, right? And when you're arguing with somebody, what is one thing that you always need to have? A good argument, right? So in this case, we're going to talk about claim and evidence, right? So can somebody read this definition for me?
I'll read. A statement or conclusion that answers the original question or problem, but needs to be supported by evidence. The data or proof that is needed to sufficiently support or back up your claim.
Your claim is basically your accusation, right? It's your accusation, it's what you're accusing somebody of, and if you don't have any evidence to back up your claim, it's weak, it's unsupported, it's basically worthless, right? When you're making a claim and you're making evidence to support that claim, you have to make sure you have at least 3 pieces of evidence so that way it's not just kind of supported, it needs to be fully supported, right? For example, right? My arm, flimsy, right? We're just gonna call my arm claim right now, right? I have no evidence to support my claim, it's knocked down, right? Then we're gonna call this claim number 2, right? We're gonna say, my muscles is the evidence, and see, supported, now my arm is staying up. Same thing with your evidence. Evidence can be, for out of school terms, your receipts in this case, right? Your screenshots, text messages, pictures, everything that you need to make sure that if you're coming at somebody, you're accusing them of something, that you have everything to back it up. Like Cardi B said, back it up, right? So, here we have a little situation, right? We have claiming, evidentia, and Mia, right? So, the problem is that claiming is saying that Mia stole her jacket, right? But claiming has no evidence, she has no proof, right? So her friend, evidentia, is going to back her up like a good friend should, right? By saying that, 1, she seen Mia steal her jacket. 2, the button fell out of Mia's bag. And 3, that somebody took a picture of Mia wearing the jacket in her own house. Us, right? So, pictures, right? In order to make sure that your claim or your argument is well supported, you need to have at least 3 evidence, 3 supporting statements, right? So how many pieces of evidence do you need to have a good claim?
3.
3? Right. So now that she has this, right, Mia has no choice but to agree with the argument and say that, yeah, I stole her jacket, right? So can anybody give me a quick example of a situation where you have claim, evidence? Ooh, another one. People claim that Cardi B is better than Nicki Minaj, right? 3 forms of evidence. Let's see, she got a Grammy before Nicki. She rose to fame a lot faster. And her fan base is a lot wider because she's bilingual. That would be an argument that Cardi B is better than Nicki, and that is the evidence to support it, right? So quick little chant that you have to remember this, right? It goes like this. So it goes, support your claim, you gotta have evidence.